Did you know if you have a business and you have to drive around all over the place for that business, you probably can take the mileage that you put on your vehicle. There's a flat rate for each mile you put on your vehicle that the IRS lets you deduct for tax purposes. However, make sure you document things. So you want things like if you have any kind of odometer readings, it's great. The best practice would be to get your odometer reading for the beginning of the year and for the end of the year. But you also need to log every trip that you take and have a business purpose for it. Have that written down, where you went, things like that. If you had any meals or anything like that that went along with it, that's a good place to put them, is in that log as well, in case they ever asked any questions on that. But yes, you do have to have the documentation, and it's one of the easiest things for them to disallow if you do not have good documentation. And after the fact log no longer cuts it. There are plenty of apps out there that will help you trace your mileage. Just go to Android or Google app stores, or Android or Apple app stores, and find the app that works best for you. A lot of them, in fact probably most of them, aren't going to actually figure out what your business purpose was, so you will have to make sure to record that as well. But otherwise, if you have just a piece of paper, you can put whatever your odometer was at when you left and what it is when you get back, and then you know what your mileage was for the trip, and you also have a record of the odometer. Just to let you know, now if you have good records otherwise, the odometer may not be a thing that they check, but they can ask for that if you were ever audited. So, business expenses, as far as mileage is concerned, yes, you can take it. Make sure you have good records for it. If you have any questions, let us know. Stay informed, stay wise. We'll talk again.